chairman of this occasion, the chairman, I feel highly honored and happy to be in your midst this afternoon. This ceremony has been put together by ASOPADEC. Therefore, today is ASOPADEC's Day. And it might be necessary for those who may not know, because I'm sure many people don't even know the genesis of ASOPADEC and may not even know the full meaning of ASOPADEC. So it might be necessary to rehearse that for the benefit of every person who is here. ASOPADEC was established by this government. That is to say that it is this government that had the political will, they had the push and the interest of Abians to establish ASOPADEC. Other governments had that opportunity, but because of circumstances or because of their own intentions, it was not established. But when we came on board, we saw the need to establish this interventionist committee that will see to the welfare of our people. We had the will, we had the zeal, and the House of Assembly was willing. Therefore, we sent the bill there, they passed the bill, and we are today implementing all that is said about the bill. And that is why you see ASOPADEC on. All the members come from the different senatorial zones. If you go there, you see people from Abia North, Abia South, and Abia Central, as per the contents of the law establishing ASOPADEC. One thing is to establish ASOPADEC. Another thing is to fund it. Because if you don't fund ASOPADEC, it will be useless. It will be a toothless bulldog. It cannot perform. It cannot do what it's doing right now. Therefore, this government also determined to see that after selecting credible people to be members of ASOPADEC, that commission is funded so that it can perform. Therefore, this government takes this as a point of priority to make sure that funds meant for ASOPADEC are released as at when due. And from all empirical evidence, you can see that that commission is performing to the satisfaction of every person, even though human beings are insatiable. It's difficult to satisfy every person. But as far as we're concerned, that ASOPADEC is doing its best. At least we can score ASOPADEC 80% or 95%. Its job is very wide, not even limited to what we are seeing or renovation of schools. That commission has gone into other areas that will touch the lives of our people. Today, we know that ASOPADEC is renovating schools and has renovated many schools. ASOPADEC is also building roads. You may not know. It has gone as far as building some roads for us in Abia State, complementing the efforts of government. It also equips schools with desks, materials, laboratory equipment that it does. That commission also goes into security matters to make sure that we have peace in Abia State. It is assisting us. ASOPADEC is assisting us also. I know that ASOPADEC has built some boreholes, provided transformers, lights to many, many communities. In capacity building, that is what we are seeing today. It has also, I know, it is to my knowledge that ASOPADEC made funds available for some students who are unable, whose parents are unable to pay for their WAEC and NECO. That they did. And many people have done their exams courtesy ASOPADEC, Abia State. Our youth also have been empowered. I also know that there was a time ASOPADEC mapped out some money. It was given to youths, those who were unemployed, to empower them to do something. So these are some of the things that commission has been doing. Why I have itemized these things is to make you realize that ASOPADEC is a good engineer. ASOPADEC is desired. Therefore, every person should help us to make sure that commission survives. I watched with keen interest the quiz competition, and I want to congratulate both Government College and Abai girls for the efforts they put. But I have to observe that in all the contests that was done, it was in mathematics that the boys and the girls were not very, very active. And I want to use this opportunity to re-emphasize the importance of mathematics for every person. When I was in school, I wouldn't claim that I'm very good. I wasn't good in mathematics. Even though I wasn't good, but I made a credit in mathematics. You know you have to pass mathematics before you can read any of the sciences. Even when you want to do arts, Abia State University will require a pass or a credit in mathematics and English. So it is very essential for you. There's no point running away from maths. You have to tackle it. It's one of the easiest subjects to pass if you don't know. So pick interest in mathematics because it is the bedrock. It is the bedrock of the science subjects. Nay, the bedrock after English, the bedrock of all the subjects. So I will encourage you to pick interest in mathematics, and I therefore want to congratulate you for what you have done. Having said that, let me read what I prepared. I wrote something which I'll read for you. But this one I've said, I think is the most important because it comes from my heart. I am very pleased to be here today to declare open this airport making event, which is the flagging off of the first in the series of school quiz competitions being organized by ASOPADEC. At the time we established ASOPADEC as an interventionist agency in the development of Abia State, especially in the harnessing of our oil resources in the oil producing areas and the oil pipeline catchment areas. We were merely concerned with the Commission's interventionist role and perhaps ignored its intellectual stimulating role and focused on our young people as a core area. That is what we didn't look at. This is why I am very excited today about this innovation, which ASOPADEC is now bringing into its overall assignment. Today, we are witnessing the final stage of ASOPADEC's sponsored school quiz competition, which has brought together the schools in the 12 local government areas within the oil producing areas and pipeline catchment areas. The beauty of this event is that our schools and youths of the concerned local government areas, for once, have come together to fight brain wars and encourage intellectual competition and learning, rather than engaging in cult wars and destructive violence that waste the lives of our youths. It is for these reasons that I have been personally attracted to be present in this event, especially as no other agency has thought it wise enough to organize this type of school quiz competition since the new era of our democratic dispensation. This event is not only laudable as a recreational competition, but it also challenges our schools and youths as future leaders to learn to win peacefully brain wars, which is the new wave of our modern technological world, and through that, develop their God-given talents, which gives them the opportunities to inherit the gains of the oil resources of our state, and do so in a peaceful atmosphere and as budding leaders of tomorrow. For all those that have competed today, the marks you will gain, you have gained already, will not only be an eloquent reference point in your lives and your intellectual abilities, it will equally earn your individual schools the useful dividends that they will remember for you. I therefore encourage you to think and work with your brains very hard so that you win coveted laurels for your schools and yourselves, not only here, but outside Abia State. I've been made to know that as Sopatec authorities, that many precious prizes await the winners in this quiz competition. The first prize of a brand new coaster bus, Hummer bus, will go to the best school, and that is Government College, while the second prize of, I'm sure what I'm reading is 2 million, will be devoted to the development of the library of the second best school. The third prize of 1 million will be devoted to the development of the science laboratory of the third best school. It's also informative that there will be several consolation prizes for all the participating schools. The importance of the prizes to be won here today is a clear demonstration to all participants and to everyone here that there is a valuable reward for knowledge, and we must therefore be willing to work hard to gain it and to compete fairly to win it. This is a better alternative to violence and the waging of wasteful conflicts of attrition. I must thank the officials who came here today and commissioners of Asopadec for this wonderful innovation, and encourage you to make this competition a yearly event. And for our youths, this is a clear demonstration and testimony that when peace reigns, great things are bound to happen in our lives. First, we truly develop our environments and our mental faculties. It is therefore time now for peace to reign in our communities. And through our participations, we can all be agents that make this possible, especially as we imbibe the culture of fair competition engendered through the event of today. I therefore want to wish all of you, those who have competed, those who did this competition, the officials who organized this competition, all those who have come to witness this competition, and every other person who has interest in this competition and Asopadec, that God will guide us and let our heart desires as Abians, and that is to take Abia to the next level of development. Let it manifest, and let God be with all of us in Jesus' name.
Mr. Excellency.
Right.
Ibubi, come down, come down. I'm not up at all.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the key to this box donated by Asopade for the quiz competition for secondary school, and that has been won by Government College, Omai. So it is a reality, and we are handing over the key to the principal of the school for their use, benefit of mankind, and to the glory of God.